Jamal Bajaj MHRD program notification is out for the 2-year program that the result of the exam which was held earlier will be declared on the 3rd week of September. So probably next week we are expecting the result to be out. We were all waiting for that. So now they have said that next week the result will be out. So we just have to wait for that. Now this gives me the opportunity for those who are planning to give the exam, or those who are thinking about Jamal Bajaj. Yes, Jamal Bajaj MS program is the main program. The main flagship program is the MBA program, for which you have to give CET exam. No GDPI, nothing required. Give CET exam, get 140 marks, and you are going to JBIMS. Yeah, for the open category. For the reserved category, for everyone, cutoff is given on cetking.com/JBIMS. Okay, that is for the main MBA program. Apart from that, Jamal Bajaj have 2 programs otherwise as well, called MHRD and MSc Finance. For MSc Finance, they accept CAT and CET score, yeah, for which you have to score minimum 99 percentile. The cutoff varies every year, but up target leke chalo. If you are getting 99 percentile in CET or CAT, you have a very good chance to get the GDPI call and convert as well. ठीक है, अदरवाइज कट ऑफ they can call other 98 वाले को as well, but आप कट ऑफ लेके चलो 99 percentile, which is 120 marks you need in the CET paper, और CAT 99 percentile to get the call. उसके नीचे वालों को भी कॉल आएगा, कोई ना कोई पोस्ट करेगा, अरे कट ऑफ तो कम होता है, बट ठीक है भाई, कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 99 को मैं आपको थंब रूल दे रहा हूँ, इजी थंब रूल फॉर दोज हु आर गोइंग टू टारगेट नेक्स्ट ईयर. ठीक है, तो and for MHRD program they conduct a separate exam. ठीक है, this time because the coronavirus there were technical glitches which have come, because of that the result was delayed. और ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ यहाँ पे हुआ है, the delay have come in IPMAT, in IIM Indore, in IIM Rohtak as well. The delay have come in the TIS as well. Delay have come in Bajaj as well. So it's not only for Bajaj, there are a lot of other colleges as well. Lot of people will come and comment, अरे बकवास कॉलेज है, मत जाओ, इतना main focus on main CAT, CET, this and that. Guys, this is a backup program. Yeah, anyone who will come and say this thing, boss, this is the, you are getting into Jamal Bajaj course, MHRD है, but this is the main thing is that the dates for this exam happened in August. Exam will happen in next year July. So this is the last hope to get into Bajaj. जिसका हो गया वो अच्छा ही बोलेगा, जिसका नहीं हुआ वो बेकार ही बोलने वाला है, obviously. ठीक है, तो for that we will decide later on. Right now you have to focus on the CAT and the CET exam. This will be the backup plan. In case I'm not able to convert main MBA program, I will look at MHRD program and MSc Finance program. Not because these program are less than that. These program are equally good, very good programs. But इनका डेट में भी बहुत टाइम है. ठीक है, तो we will look at this later on. अभी के लिए you mainly focus on your CAT and CET score. Target to get 99 plus. So in case you are targeting for MHRD program, and there will be GDPI for this program. There is no GDPI for the MBA program. There is GDPI for this program. ठीक है, this clarification was required for the new student who are preparing for next year. चलेगा? In case, and everyone can apply across India. Anyone can apply for this one. Everyone have an equal chance to convert. Okay, all the best.